Hello, I'm Kate Stichina with the Fresh Forex News. The Federal Reserve System of the USA is working on the mechanism of its huge balance shrinkage, which was accumulated during the period when it was trying to defend itself from the world financial crisis. This was reported on Thursday by the head of the Federal Reserve Bank, Thomas Hoenig. Nevertheless, it remains unclear when and how the FRS will start selling the assets on its balance, which has grew to over $2 billion, said Hoenig. Answering the questions of the auditory in Kansas City, Hoenig refused to comment if the FRS will put up for sale the mortgage-secured bonds, which the central bank was buying within the program, which was looked at from different viewpoints by the FRS board. The minutes of the FRS December session on the open market operations testified that there were contraventions between the central bank representatives. Some of them worry that the ending of the program to buy bonds on $1.25 billion planned for March is too early for the still unstable USA markets. Other authorities stated that the program should be cut since the economical data shows the USA economic strengthening. On Thursday, Hoenig declared to support the second campsite, having estimated the GDP growth in this year by 3–4% and mentioned that the most part of the data shows the USA economic situation improvement. One of the risks which can bring artificial hold of the FRS rate interest at a low level may become the inflation surge up, which will break the economy recovery, noted Hoenig on Thursday. Though the inflation rate maintains weak at the moment, he added. Hoenig expects that the banks will increase crediting in 2010, as the real estate market situation is improving and investment appetite appears. In his speech, Hoenig paid special attention to consumers' role during the period of the USA economic uprise. He appealed to the Americans to save more and said that the level of savings in the recent years fell down to 1%, lower than the historically 10% point. He also mentioned that the current rules of credit card separation must be made more strict and asked the consumers to raise their literacy in finance. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Stichina. Goodbye.